Supplier qualification in pharmaceutical manufacturing is crucial for ensuring compliance with regulatory standards. This comprehensive framework involves systematic evaluation, approval, and continuous monitoring processes to maintain quality across global markets. Supplier qualification is a formal process to ensure suppliers meet quality standards under good manufacturing practices. It is vital for protecting patient safety and ensuring product efficacy, making it essential for the pharmaceutical supply chain. Various global regulatory bodies, including the FDA, Health Canada, EMA, and WHO, enforce standards to ensure pharmaceutical products meet quality requirements. These regulations protect public health and maintain confidence in the global supply chain. The FDA mandates comprehensive requirements for supplier qualification, ensuring products meet quality standards before release. This approach is fundamental to quality management, safeguarding the supply chain from potential risks. The FDA regulatory framework includes component control, quality control release, and quality systems integration. Each aspect ensures compliance with specifications, identity testing, and continuous improvement processes. Health Canada's approach to supplier qualification involves strict regulations to control the quality of materials and finished products. This framework ensures suppliers meet stringent standards, protecting the integrity of the supply chain. The EMA requires suppliers to follow specific procedures for qualification, including outsourcing controls and qualified person roles. These measures ensure compliance with quality standards and protect pharmaceutical boundaries. The WHO establishes global benchmarks for supplier qualification, emphasizing quality assurance and compliance with GMP requirements. These standards are crucial for maintaining the integrity of pharmaceutical supply chains. The supplier qualification process involves 5 phases: initiation, evaluation, performance, approval, and monitoring. Each phase builds on the previous, ensuring efficient resource allocation and regulatory compliance. Risk-based planning is the first phase of supplier qualification, focusing on assessing supplier impact on product quality and patient safety. This phase helps allocate resources effectively while maintaining quality standards. The risk scoring framework evaluates supplier impact on patient safety, product quality, regulatory significance, and more. This comprehensive assessment ensures suppliers meet necessary standards for qualification. Comprehensive evaluation involves reviewing supplier documentation and quality management systems. This phase assesses supplier capabilities and ensures compliance with regulatory standards. The on-site audit process includes planning, facility tours, systems review, and closing meetings. Each step is designed to evaluate supplier compliance and identify areas for improvement. Audit findings are classified into critical, major, and minor categories, each indicating the severity of compliance issues. This classification helps prioritize corrective actions and ensure supplier adherence to standards. Performance qualification involves rigorous testing of materials to ensure they meet quality standards. This phase bridges theoretical compliance with practical application, ensuring supplier reliability. Material testing requirements vary by type, including active pharmaceutical ingredients, excipients, and packaging. Each category has specific testing protocols to ensure compliance with quality standards. Approval and quality agreements formalize supplier relationships, ensuring compliance with regulatory standards. These agreements outline expectations and responsibilities, fostering a reliable supply chain. The supplier qualification package includes risk assessments, documentation, audit reports, testing results, and quality agreements. This comprehensive package ensures suppliers meet all necessary standards for approval. The approved supplier list is a controlled document that ensures only qualified suppliers are used for procurement. Regular reviews verify compliance, maintaining the integrity of the supply chain. Ongoing monitoring is a continuous process that tracks supplier performance and identifies potential issues. Key performance indicators and complaint rates help ensure suppliers maintain quality standards. The Supplier Performance Dashboard provides a comprehensive view of key metrics such as quality acceptance rate, on-time delivery, and documentation accuracy. By comparing supplier scores with industry benchmarks, organizations can proactively identify areas for improvement and ensure compliance with quality standards. Requalification is a structured process that begins with an initial evaluation and progresses through enhanced monitoring and formal audits. This ongoing cycle ensures that suppliers consistently meet quality standards, adapting to changes and addressing significant issues as they arise. Unscheduled requalification may be triggered by major manufacturing changes, ownership shifts, or regulatory actions. These events necessitate a thorough review to maintain consistency and compliance, ensuring that suppliers can adapt to new requirements and challenges effectively. Understanding material risk categories is crucial for determining the depth of qualification required. From low to critical risk, each category demands specific assessments to ensure that suppliers meet necessary standards and provide reliable resources. Quality agreements encompass both technical and operational requirements, including specifications, change control, and communication protocols. These elements are vital for maintaining consistency and ensuring that suppliers adhere to agreed-upon standards. Data integrity is a critical focus in supplier oversight, ensuring that all information is accurate, complete, and reliable. Suppliers must adhere to stringent data integrity standards, addressing vulnerabilities and implementing robust systems to safeguard data quality. Third-party auditing services play a vital role in supplementing internal audits and providing specialized expertise. These independent consultants offer strategic advantages, helping companies navigate complex regulatory landscapes and ensure compliance across diverse locations. GXP Salator's consultants offer a comprehensive service portfolio, including GMP, GLP, GCP, and GDP audits. Their expertise spans various areas, ensuring that clients receive thorough assessments and guidance tailored to their specific needs. Consultants bring a wealth of qualifications and expertise, including professional certifications, regulatory background, and technical specialization. Their global capabilities ensure that they can address the unique challenges faced by international supply chains. Engaging third-party auditors offers numerous benefits, such as objectivity, cost-effectiveness, and regulatory intelligence. These experts provide specialized technical expertise and global reach, enhancing efficiency and scalability for pharmaceutical companies. The GXP Salator's audit process is a detailed and structured approach that includes needs assessment, audit planning, on-site assessment, and report preparation. This comprehensive process ensures thorough evaluation and continuous improvement for suppliers. Supplier qualification is evolving with digital transformation and collaborative approaches. Technologies like blockchain and initiatives like the Pharma Supply Chain Initiative are enhancing transparency and efficiency, driving industry-wide improvements. Successful supplier qualification relies on executive commitment, cross-functional collaboration, and robust procedures. These factors create a comprehensive ecosystem that supports continuous improvement and effective supplier management. Building excellence in supplier qualification involves rigorous compliance, risk-based approaches, and continuous lifecycle management. Third-party expertise and quality agreements formalize partnerships, ensuring data integrity and sustained success. Partnering with GXP Salator's consultants provides access to expert supplier qualification services, ensuring compliance and quality across global supply chains. Their team of auditors and specialists offer tailored solutions to meet specific needs and drive success.